Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings. All right, let's begin. First, open your Start menu and search for Control Panel. Make sure View By is set to large icons, then click Internet Options. Go to the Advanced tab and click Restore Advanced Settings. Press Apply and OK. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Settings. Click Network and Internet, scroll to Advanced Network Settings, and then Network Reset. Click Reset Now, confirm, and restart your computer. If Wi-Fi is still missing, search for Services in the Start menu. Scroll to WLAN Autoconfig, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click Start if the service isn't running. Press Apply and OK. Do the same for WAN Autoconfig. If these services are already running, right-click each one and select Restart. Next, open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click to disable, then enable it again. After that, open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it, select Update Driver, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then Let me pick from a list and install the top driver. Finally, if Wi-Fi is still missing, press Windows R, type msconfig and hit Enter. Under General, select Normal Startup. Go to the Services tab, press Disable All, then Enable All, apply changes, and restart. So that's basically how you can fix Wi-Fi missing from settings. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.